we'll do a video walkthrough. See, you have this beautiful opening window back here that just opens everything up. This gives you a totally light and airy feel. Galley off to starboard. Down there with a range top, and then refrigerators right below that. Microwave over here, and then there's a freezer back behind that door right there. So huge settee, very comfortable. Wine cooler in the corner over there.
That's why I had to stop coming in here, because I didn't have the bath restroom.
And helm to port with stairs up to the bridge through that hatch. And then a dinette on the starboard side. And of course that table opens up. And we'll step down to the staterooms now. First we have a guest stateroom to starboard. Now that's a king bed. However, the top mattress will lift off and expose twins. Hanging locker. And we'll come around over to the other side with the same situation. King bed, but again lifts off to expose twins. Hanging locker there. And then a head with access from that port stateroom. Circular shower. Toilet right there. And then the master forward. And that is a king master. Nice flat panel TV around this way. And then we come back around, and here's the master head, again with a circular shower. And toilet on the right-hand side, bidet on the left-hand side. Nice and roomy. And there you have her.